Hi everyone. Welcome to Grammar Made Simple. We are going to cover comma rules today. Place a comma after an introductory phrase or interjection. Of course, William will bake a pie. Wow, this donut is warm. Drats, I forgot my jacket. Place a comma to separate direct quotes from the speaker. Mom said, "Wash your hands before dinner." "Come in for dinner," said Dad, "or you will go hungry." Commas are used to set off appositives. An appositive is a noun or phrase that renames the noun that comes before it. Bowdy, my older brother, is late for lunch. My older brother renames the noun Bowdy. Miss Jones, our dance teacher, is my good friend. Dance teacher is another way of saying the noun, which is Miss Jones. Use commas to set up parenthetical phrases. A parenthetical phrase is one that interrupts the sentence and when removed does not change the overall meaning of the sentence. Andrew, even though he is usually on time, was late for dinner. Caleb went to math tutorial even though he knew division to visit with his friends. Commas aim to clarify and can take the place of a pause. Outside, the roads were wet. Inside, the fireplace warmed us up. And notice as I'm reading, I'm also pausing. So as you read, you want to read as if you were talking to a friend. Commas are placed between cities and states. He moved to Boston, Massachusetts. He would love to live in Seattle, Washington. Commas are used in a date between the day of the month and the year. July 17th, 1990 is my sister's birthday. Our address is 83 Main Street, Boston, Massachusetts. Commas must be placed with two or more adjectives. The big, shaggy, brown dog smiled at us. The big, shaggy, brown, and playful dog is my best friend. My shy, sweet, silly, and funny cat is sick. Commas must be placed between two or more items in a list. The apple tart was served with cinnamon, whipped cream, toasted nuts, and berries. Dinner included mashed potatoes, grilled corn, peas, and roasted carrots. I'll be right over. Use commas with conjunctions. Braxton played soccer and his team won. I ran the track race, but I lost. Thank you.